So, what it means, during this time, only 2000 year period, nothing has changed. But whatever said in Puran means, Puran was long back. At that time, all the difference was quite remarkable. And it might happen again and again. It is in cycles. Because Earth is moving like that one. Sometimes it moves like that one. Orbit is changing.
It's swinging round.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like a spirogram. It doesn't happen, oh, okay, you follow this path. You are not allowed to go beyond the track. It's your railway track, you follow that. It's not that.
Yeah.
So it happens. And as we said, moon was 30 days, means it's a bit far at that time. Not now, but it's going away. So we calculate, okay, 600 million years after, that might happen again. So it goes in cycle. After some time, when it's a Yuga's calculation, what will happen? Everything will be destroyed. Nothing, we don't have any control over that. That's it. Now, nearly I have explained all simple principles, the way of method of calculating it mathematically and scientifically. Now, if you have a question, you can raise the question. And whatever will be left, we will discuss in the next lecture on 16th. Right? With your question answer and whatever is left. Means if I think it is required to discuss again, I will do it. That's it.
So this rotation around the sun, it changes.
Yeah, it changes.
Is it a gradual progression?
Yeah, it is.
There's nothing jerky in it.
No, nothing.
So is it anti-clockwise or clockwise or?
Right. What you say anti-clockwise. If you are facing towards the north,
Yes.
yeah, everything is moving anti-clockwise.
Yes.
Right? If you face towards the south,
Yes.
so it will be the opposite direction.
Yeah.
So don't say clockwise.
So if you look from the top of what
Yeah.
So when you watch the stars in the night, we generally look at towards the north because
Yeah.
we mark the first North Pole and the movement of all stars around the North Pole. So everything looks like it's going anti-clockwise because Earth is rotating clockwise.
Yes. Well, it's just the way we position
Yeah.
ourselves.
Now I said Earth is moving clockwise.
Yeah.
Now I face towards south,
Okay.
and now I will say, oh, Earth is moving
So
anti-clockwise.
what would be the real recognition? Because the movement hasn't changed, whether we've changed position. So
Yeah, it means that always we, before something, use the east or west, means where the sun rises is our east.
yes,
It never rises other way.
yeah.
That's the reference.
But
Well, we face the north at the time.
Yeah.
yeah, it's
Yeah,
just a
otherwise it'd be
thing in our
wrong.
heads. I do agree.
Yeah.
But the actual motion doesn't change.
No.
So it's a definite one direction,
Yeah.
not two directions.
Okay, should I remove this one?
You see what I mean?
I will discuss that one later on because I have to finish the last chapter before I.
Okay.
Because that's a good point to see.
Yeah, if you write it down, yeah, I will discuss this when I finish this one. I've got only 10 minutes now.
Are you going to help us?
This is our galaxy. What is the name of galaxy? Anybody knows?
Milky Way.
Yeah, Milky Way. Name is Mandakini.
It's not Cadbury.
Our nearest galaxy is named Andromeda. So it has got the name. This galaxy Milky Way has got the name. It's explained in Puran, Mandakini. Mandakini and Devyani. Andromeda. This is Andromeda. M-A-E, yeah? So, this is our galaxy. We are somewhere here. Here means somewhere on this path. 2/3 part and 1/3 part. This total distance is about 50,000 light years. Right?
Yeah.
So we are about 2/3. If we go further, that one means at the distance of 1.5 times at the periphery, yeah? Very easy?
Yeah.
So we have said, okay, what is the speed of the sun around our galaxy? We said, oh, planets are moving in multiple of tens, stars is moving of hundreds of kilometers, yeah? This sun has goes 200 kilometers per second speed going around the galaxy.
Where's the sun?
That's the sun.
And where the earth in the middle?
Don't search for the earth at the moment. Earth goes with the sun. Okay? Okay, so if we go 1.5 times, what will be the speed?
75,000.
Reduced by square root 1.5. Right?
So that, yes.
So 1.5 is 1.2 something, 24 or something, square root. So it is reduced by this much and we will get about how much? Reduced by that. 180, 160, 170?
Yeah, 175.
Yeah. So we can calculate how much is the speed at the periphery of a galaxy. So if we go down, chop it.
Will increase.
Yeah, that will increase. At certain stage, the speed will become 300,000 kilometers per second.
That's really fast.
That's why I'm coming to the point. We can calculate at what distance. And from here, it's the speed of light.
Wow.
So that from here, we can't see anything. That is called events of horizon.
Yeah.
We can't see anything. And inside is a black hole area. Nothing is seen from there. We can calculate by this method, dividing by 100, go on. And we can calculate, oh, what is the size of black hole? By the same principle.
So it'll be a negative factor.
Yeah. So everything we can do, whatever is said in present astronomy and mathematics, we can do with just simple principles.
Well, that's why everything
Yeah.
balances
So
out.
say this is 200 kilometers and this is 300,000. So how much is bigger one?
100.
Yeah. So if we do the square of this one, 225,000, use our Vedic mathematics, do the square. Yeah? If we go that much closer, from here to here, how we go there? We divide this distance by that much. Yeah? This distance is about 33 light years. Light years means we multiply by 365, multiply by 24, multiply by 3600 seconds and multiply by speed of light, 3 into 10 raised to 5, yeah? And divide by this. And that will give us the distance where we can't see anything. That is our black hole size. These are the figures.
So is it true to say it's not really a black hole, it's only a black hole because we can't see it?
Yeah, that's it. We can't see.
If actually somebody was to go there, they would be able to see something, but because we haven't...
Nobody can go because,
Yeah, it's too far.
yeah, it's not too far, but it's at the speed.
Yeah.
Nothing can exist except energy. Everything, every matter is converted to energy, then only they can travel at that speed.
Hmm.
So nothing live things can happen there.
But the word energy is a very vague notion.
You are diverting.
No, but
Let me finish first this thing.
yeah, it's a very scientific, very
Yeah.
But isn't the black hole sucking as well?
Yeah,
Sucking matter.
that's
Because of the
right.
speed it's going at.
So my point is just say how we can calculate all the universe measurements. Black holes, what is the size?
yeah, that's very
Everything.
interesting.
Yeah, so our black hole size by this method we can say is a 12-hour light period. 12-hour light period means our Pluto is about 6 hours. Earth is about 8.33 minutes. So it's about 4 to 6 times longer than that. That much big black hole is in our galaxy. We can calculate the mass, we can calculate the gravitation, everything. Follow the same principle.
But it really means you can calculate the density of the black hole.
Yeah.
But because the sun is attracted to the black hole, there must be gravity, isn't it?
Yeah, that's I said.
Yeah.
Black hole is there, sun is there, so it's attracted means it's called centripetal force.
Yeah, that's an interesting.
Yeah. And
answer.
when it's rotating, it's called centrifugal force. So at every point, centripetal and centrifugal forces are equal, so it remains balanced and rotates in the same speed.
It must remain balanced, otherwise it will go.
So it's more than a black hole.
This is the principle of universe.
Yeah.
Stay in the balanced way. That's it.
Yeah.
But one
So
question.
if you go far away, gravitation reduces, speed reduces, and time is more. If you come closer, gravitation increases, speed increases, and time is very short.
What about one cosmos year is from a 1 day or 1 year?
Sorry,
I read one article, Brahma's 1 day is time. It's one day, what do you call it, cosmos year is 1 day or 1
yeah,
year?
it is 1 day.
1 day.
1 day is called one culp. Yeah, this one culp is here. One culp day and one culp night. That's the daytime. Both in the daytime is ahoratra, day and night. That chapter was taken before 2 years ago when we calculate this whole period called what is it? And it is explained in Bhagavad, Skanda 3-4, 11th Adhyaya, chapter 11, and verses are from 1 to 39. And we have taken about 2 verses out of that. One was 5 or 6, and one was 36. So accordingly, all the calculation, it comes from Purana. We have taken it from Bhagavad Purana.
So when the sun reaches its black hole, will the sun still be burning? Will it lose its light?